Hi everyone, it's Andy again from Finlingo, and today we're looking at the CFA Total Recall app, which is downloadable from the App Store for any iOS device or your M1 Apple computer. And by the time this video is seen by you, hopefully, and within a week of this video being made, should also be available for your Android device or tablet from the Google Play Store. Anyway, so let's get down then to working out the future value of an annuity in the dreaded begin mode. So I'm going to just go down then to reading 6, and let's look at this annuity due, which is a bit nasty. So it makes CFA examiners more likely to ask it because it's slightly nasty. So let's get into this. The trick to this is you need to put your calculator into begin mode, and then you need to remember to take it out of begin mode, put it back into end mode for all your subsequent questions in your exam. You always want to be in end mode unless you're specifically in begin mode. If you get that bit wrong, they will leave answers for you all over the place to trap you in later questions. So watch out for that. So here's the first question then. The future value of an annuity due. So you're going to put in 17,000 a year, and you're going to do that for 18 years, and you're hoping to get 8%. We'll just assume you are going to get 8%, but you are going to put the money in at the beginning of the year. Look out for that. Beginning means BGN mode. So let's go to the calculator, and I always used to panic about this when I was doing the CFA exams. So the first thing we do, so go second begin, and you can see I'm in end mode, which is good. And then we do second set, and now we're in the dreaded begin mode. Take a look, there's a little tiny thing, you see that little thing there, that BGN? You see that 3 questions after you should have taken it off, and that can be a real delight. Anyway, we're okay with begin mode, so we do cancel, and we're now in begin mode. Notice we can still see that little begin just about there. That's good for this question. So let's do this just as a normal annuity question. So the N is going to be 18 years. Oh, I just need to do that second clear TVN. Sorry, I forgot that. 18, all in all the excitement, is N. The IY is going to be 8. The PV is going to be 0 because we're not putting in a lump sum at the start. The payment that we're putting in every year at the beginning of each year is going to be 17,000, so that's the payment going in. And now we compute the FV. Take off the minus to make things easy. We're looking for a 687, and we've got one there, 586. C is looking pretty good. It's a 2 decimal match for my 4 decimal answer there. So I'm going to cross my fingers and I'm going to go for C. There we go. So we put the calculator in begin mode. The question will tell you to do that. And now we need to put the thing back into end mode for the next questions. So let's just do that now while we are here. So second begin, second set, good, cancel. Now notice what a difference that makes. If I do compute FV now, take off the minus, you can see that I've got 636, 654, which in the exam they will leave that for you as one of the answers, usually, quite often, and then you'll pick it by mistake and move on and think you've got it right. So be very careful. Always put your calculator into begin mode, and then always take it out, put it to end for subsequent questions. Anyhow, that's how to do the question here. Let's just go back to the top here. That's how to do the future value of an annuity due. Let's just take a look at the next one. There we go. That's for you to do for homework. So good luck with that, and I'll see you next time.